Hey guys, Sarah here, Bronx here, nobody else wants to say hi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Allure Beauty Box unboxing for September 2018. If you did not know, this box is $15 a month, yes. And you get full and travel size products valued at $50 to $90, and then new members get a free gift valued at $15 or more. I think that's everything I need to tell you about this box. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Alright, so when you open up the box, it looks just like this. It has this little pamphlet right on the top that basically tells you everything you're getting inside of it. It won't tell you the values, but if you are interested in what the total value ends up being, I always put that in the description down below, so that way you know if it's a good deal or not. Alright, let's see what I get first. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here is from Drunk Elephant. I've actually never tried anything from this brand, but I've heard amazing things about it. Let's see. So it is the T.L.C. Sukari Babyfacial. I'm pretty sure this brand is cruelty-free. Let's go ahead and see what this... Ooh. I don't even know why I just opened this up. It has like a pump top on it. So let's try that. Let's try the way you're supposed to. Okay, so it looks just like that, good like tannish sort of cream. Whoa, super, super hydrating. Like, I wonder if this is oil based. It feels, you ever felt like Aquaphor stuff? It feels like that. Like, this feels amazing. I don't like the way it smells. It just doesn't smell great. I mean, it doesn't smell terrible, but doesn't smell great. Not my favorite scent. It's sort of burning my hands a little bit. I don't know if I have like a cut on my hand and it's sort of getting in there, but it does feel a little weird. Very sticky. Definitely something so sticky. Let's see if it says what you're supposed to do. So use once weekly, apply on even layer to clean dry skin, leave on for 20 minutes and rinse thoroughly with warm water. So yeah, it's just like a hydrating mask. Not mad about that. Excited to try this. I've heard amazing things about that brand. So, all right, let's see. The next thing I have in here is from IGK. It is a coconut oil gel. So let's see. This is for your hair, I would assume. This coconut oil infused gel is the foundation in creating the hydrated, lived and undone hair of right now. So it looks like if you kind of like maybe want like a beachy kind of look, that's what it smells. Pretty good. It feels pretty creamy. The next thing is from MAC. It is Lustering lipstick in the shade Lustering. So the packaging looks just like this. There's that. MAC is not cruelty-free, so unfortunately, I'm gonna have to put this in a giveaway. I know someone's gonna be really upset to win this, but red is a color I really like, so I like that. I've heard, you know, MAC is a pretty renowned brand, so it looks like I have, I don't know if this, is this one thing? I have two things from Tarteist. So I have some lashes, and right there it says cruelty-free lashes. There's that. And then, I wonder if this is the glue. Okay, so then I have the glue for it right here, which is really awesome that they sent you the glue. Let's see how the wand looks like. Oh, nice. It's just a little thin thing, which is nice. It's got a little brush on it, like little bristles. So that's cool. I'm not huge into eyelashes, but I would definitely try these. They're very like wispy. I wonder what the actual style is called. The style is called Flirt. So yeah, they definitely look flirty. Let me see if I can hold them up. Take them out of the packaging so you can get a better look without the glare from the plastic. So there's the lashes. They definitely are not like really huge over the top lashes. They're like what they just say. They're flirty lashes. So definitely interested in trying those out. That is awesome. I wonder what these retail for. $12. So almost the value of the box right here in these lashes. So that's exciting. All right, I think that's everything I have in my box. So overall, not bad for me. 4 items, which just seems, maybe they're toning it back a little bit, because like 1 month, what do we get, like 8 items? But I'm not even mad that we got so few items, because the items that we got like really are expensive. I was looking through this booklet and I saw something that I didn't get. So you could, I guess I should mention this too. You could have either got this hair thing, or you could have got some living proof dry shampoo, which I've gotten before, which I think I've gotten that before. I can't keep up with all the stuff I get, you guys. I get too much stuff. I have a problem. I actually really like the Allure box. I know their customer service really blows, but the boxes themselves I always really, really like. So, yeah. That's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more... Where are my dogs? Oh, they're all laying over there under the coffee table. They're just in a lineup over there. Anyways, if you want to see more of them, hit that subscribe button right below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.